Welcome to your ultimate English vocabulary builder Notion template, your all-in-one digital hub to master English vocabulary for exams, study, and daily life. Start here at the main dashboard. Everything is neatly organized. Explore vocabulary categories, practice exercises, track your progress, and access extra resources, all just one click away. Get a quick overview of how the template works, who it's for, and tips to maximize your learning. Designed for self-learners and exam candidates alike. Dive into vocabulary grouped by academic words, common phrases, and essential idioms and expressions. Everything you need to sound more fluent and confident. Explore more than 45 real-life and academic topics. Each topic includes a rich vocabulary list, definitions, examples, synonyms, and antonyms, plus space to add your own notes. See how words are clearly presented with difficulty level, status tracker, definitions, sample sentences, and even synonyms and antonyms. Stay focused and learn in context. Reinforce your knowledge with ready-to-use practice exercises, test your memory, and improve recall right inside Notion. Monitor your learning with the built-in progress tracker. Mark words and topics as to learn, in progress, or mastered, and watch your skills grow. Unlock curated resources, dictionaries, vocabulary apps, podcasts, YouTube channels, and more. Everything you need to boost your vocabulary in one place. Stay motivated and organized with weekly checklists. Set goals, plan your study sessions, and make steady progress every week. Ready to supercharge your English and ace your next exam? Get instant access to your vocabulary builder Notion template today. For questions or support, visit our website www.sparkskytech.com or contact us anytime. Happy learning!